Hello, welcome back to our lesson for today. Don't forget, my name is Teacher Emmanuel. Today, we are going to continue from where we stopped at Unit 1. We'll be studying Lesson 5 and Lesson 6. So, in Lesson 5, we have some new words that we are going to learn. So, we have listen, point, and repeat. First, listen to me as I read. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, garden, season. Listen again. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, garden, season. Alright, listen and point as I read. Number 1 is spring. Number 2, summer. Number 3, autumn. Number 4, winter. Number 5, garden. And number 6, season. Now repeat after me. Spring. Good. Summer. Good. Autumn. Good. Winter. Good. Garden. Good. Season. Alright, that's a good one. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, garden, and season. Okay, go ahead and practice more and get ready for our class. Make sure you master these words for our class. The next thing we have is number 3. Listen and read. We have the selfish giant. Repeat after me. The selfish giant. Selfish giant. Good. Listen to me as I read. The giant has got a lovely garden. The children want to play in the garden, but the giant is selfish. It's my garden, he says. I don't want children here. He builds a wall around the garden. In the spring, there are no flowers or birds in the giant's garden. It is winter all year. The giant isn't happy. Then one day, the children find a hole in the wall. They go in and play. The giant hears children in his garden. There are birds and flowers too. The giant is happy because it is spring again. This is your garden now, children, he says. The children are happy and the giant is not selfish now. Make sure you listen more and learn all this. It's a very simple passage. You can read it. I know. Make sure you practice more and more. So let's go over to the questions. We have read again and put the sentences in the correct order. Read again and put the sentences in the correct order. So we have number 1. The giant hears children in the garden. Number 2. The children want to play in the garden. Number 3. It is spring, but the giant's garden
He builds a wall
isn't winter. Number 4, the giant builds a wall. Number 5, the children and the giant are happy. Number 6, the children finds a hole in the wall. Let's put the sentence in the correct order. Number 1 is, the children want to play in the garden. So what is number 2? The giant builds a wall. Number 3, is spring, but in the giant's garden it is winter. Number 4. The children find a hole in the wall. Number 5. The giant hears children in the garden. And number 6. The giant is happy and the children are happy. Let's move over to lesson 6. Lesson 6, we have listening. We have listening. How old is Katie? She is 8. When is her birthday? Make sure you listen to the audio. You will find out. When is her birthday? Her birthday is in March. Where is she from? She's from the USA. And what is her favorite season? Her favorite season is summer. Listen to the audio and practice more and more. So we have the questions, 3 questions and 3 answers. The first question we have here is, how old are you? How old are you? I'm 9. I'm 10. I'm 30. I'm 25. Second question, where are you from? I'm from Egypt. I'm from the USA. I'm from Vietnam. Where are you from? You know it already. And the last one, what's your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. Or my favorite season is winter. My favorite season is spring. Alright, practice more at home. So the last thing we have today to study is writing. Writing. We use capital letters with countries, months, and names. Capital letters are the big letters, the big ones. We use it to start the name of a country. Example, Spain or Vietnam, big V. Vietnam. Or Thailand, big T. We also use it for months. We have April, March, June, big letters. We also use it for names. Billy, Amy, Alex, Max, Tom, Emmanuel. Like, we use it for names, big letters, capital letters. The next one is this. We start new sentences with capital letters. New sentences like this. My name is Helen. The beginning, M, mine, big letters. I hope you understand. Now let's go over here. Write the sentences with capital letters. Number 1, you see, Jenny is 10. She's from Brazil. Jenny in capital. She, S in capital, and B in capital. Number 2, can you do that? I'm from Spain. I in capital and S in capital. Number 3, Alex is from Brazil. Which one is capital here? Which ones? Good. A and B. Number 4, is Kim from Thailand. Which ones are for capitals? We have I, we have K, and we have T, Thailand. Number 5. It's hot in Australia in December. Which ones? I, good, A, good, and D. Number 6. He's from Egypt. H and E. And lastly, her birthday is in June. Can you do that? Okay, good. H and J. Good. This is where we stop for today. Go ahead and practice more and prepare very well for our lesson. Goodbye.